Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Gray Zone Warfare, Unreal Engine crash, fatal error, low-level fatal error, or GPU crash issues on PC. First, restart Steam, exit Steam completely, relaunch it, or run it as administrator. If that doesn't work, restart your PC. Next, verify game files. Open Steam, right-click the game, go to Properties Installed Files, and click Verify Integrity of Game Files. Now install Easy Anti-Cheat. Go to the game folder, open Easy Anti-Cheat, run Setup as administrator. If needed, delete the folder and verify files again to reinstall it. Try launching the game from the installation folder. Run the .exe file, enable Run as administrator, disable full screen optimization, or try Windows 8 compatibility. Next, allow the game through antivirus and firewall. Add all game.exe files and Easy Anti-Cheat to exceptions. Try launch options like RDX11 or DX12 in Steam. You can also rename the config folder in App Data Backup first to reset settings. Now update your GPU drivers with a clean install and restart your PC. Set the game to use your dedicated GPU and ensure your monitor is connected to it. Disable overlays like Steam, Discord, and NVIDIA and avoid overclocking or undervolting. Clear DirectX shader cache and NVIDIA cache, then restart. Install Visual C++ files and update Windows. Try switching power mode and enable or disable hardware-accelerated GPU scheduling. Disconnect extra devices, use a single monitor, and lower refresh rate. If needed, increase virtual memory or update BIOS. Finally, reinstall the game on another drive or clear Steam download cache. One of these steps should fix the issue, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.